Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos, Chapter 21, Covariance.P function in Excel. The Covariance.P function in Excel is a statistical tool used to measure the relationship between two datasets, specifically assessing how changes in one variable are associated with changes in another. In corporate finance, this function is crucial for analyzing the covariance between financial variables, such as the returns of two different investments. To use Covariance.P, you provide two ranges of data points that you want to analyze. The function calculates the covariance based on the entire population, meaning it considers every data point in the provided ranges. This calculation helps you understand whether the two variables move together, positive covariance, or in opposite directions, negative covariance. A higher positive covariance indicates that the variables tend to increase or decrease together, while a negative covariance suggests they move inversely. For example, if you're evaluating the relationship between the returns of two stocks, Covariance.P can help determine whether the returns are positively or negatively correlated. This insight is valuable for portfolio management, risk assessment, and diversification strategies. By incorporating Covariance.P into your financial analyses, you gain a deeper understanding of how different financial assets interact, enabling more informed investment decisions and better risk management.